Alright guys, today we're cooking hot and fast, old school style brisket on this Tanker 500 over here. Alright, here's our brisket. I did a pretty aggressive trim on it. I wanted to really shape it well since we're gonna be cooking hot. And we just went with table salt and coarse black pepper. Heavy on the pepper. We're at 250 now, just for start. We're going in. Here, we have some tallow for later. Alright, we've been running between 250 275 for like 45 minutes. And our brisket here is starting to get some color. It's already warm on the outside. It's starting to sweat. So it's time to crank it up and get it to 300, maybe a little bit more. Here's our new baffled intake that we're doing in all tankers right now. It really helps with the stability of the firebox. We're gonna leave it open now. Alright guys, it's been 3 hours since we put the brisket in. It's fully cooked on the inside. It's rendering out all the fat. The color looks super nice. It's going well. I have high hopes for this. I'm only having a little bit of pulling there. Every once in a while I come over and tip it. Yeah, we're gonna keep rocking. We've been doing 350 for most of the time. Even 375 at some points. We've been running a pretty hot fire with a lot of coals. At some point we put too much and we had to open the firebox door to let some cold air in, but it's been really easy to hold at 350. We're also doing some half chickens to see how it goes. Alright guys, it's been 5 hours. It looks done. The flat is still a bit tough, but the rest looks fine. It's starting to dry out, so I'm gonna pull it off, wrap it in tallow, and take it home to hold. Alright, I have been holding this in the oven for 4 hours, wrapped in foil with a little bit of tallow. Let's slice it and see what we got. Well, this is not half bad, guys. Look at this slice. It fully rendered the seam fat. The flat feels a bit tough, but it's not really. It's just a very lean, small brisket. It's actually good eating. Tastes nice. Pulls perfect. It doesn't feel dry. It just feels lean. Like when you eat some good turkey or something. Let's try this little bit of point right here. I'm doing everything with my left hand. Taste beefy, smoky, not pot roasty at all. We made it. We turned a cheap lean brisket into some proper old school barbecue. As you saw, this was not a good brisket. It barely had a fat cap, but where it had it, it fully rendered. All the thicker fat is all rendered and caramelized. It tastes great. This is something I could actually eat a big plate of, not like some of the fattier meats that you can only eat a little bit before you feel full. I'm happy with this. I want to try this again with a better quality brisket. Look at these burn ends. I swear I didn't put tallow on them. They just came out of the knife like this. This is so soft, but still keeping itself together. I need to try it. Okay, the end cut from the flat is actually dry, but again, this lean had no marbling, so it was to be expected. But after the third or fourth slice, it's pretty good. Look at this. Hot and fast, old school. The taste is so nice, so balanced. It's not anything so overpowering. Neither the pepper, the smoke, or the beefiness. Just good barbecue.